Hak si balang kat kendai tarik unara aja penre umjang ba kejela kon kesang ma olayu kejar asinong banyun opacilong banyak sim benta hak jingbu manongrim ya Kynroh yang ke office trikam ke Sengbah Nongshat nongkai nyotrep nyoskum la don lang do emri ke tanya ba roni wileng do no pan habakran akan di jinlang umjang ba olong ba kini jinlang benta kasi kamdei tang halo ke jingbei tengka na kasi MSDF Henry kaya bat pun betang ya jingkut jingmut kasoka ban bat yada bat kenteu ya riti kedustu tenrai bat kam kongsan ke jing itu bagerpang jong jai benri ka Sengbah Nongshat nongkeng kedai ke beraseng aus dem kat kendai spa prapu arha madana ting silong hadin ke jing seng ka seng ka sut ka thet ke jaka banyon lemba ka jing yano senyang kirang ba bat tip kum kiru temen rusan harengkat kid khot kaseng bat rabu kum ke headquarter jeng kaseng bat beteng bat sekeri kum ke jaka ban te kam seng ka jinglut jingsap juga ni projek sina Kynroh kalong software lak rup kendai hajar belabai tingka lembaga chief minister special development fund aja absan apun rew kid khot kaseng ki ajing rap ru ya gibreu badan ke jing sitom na ke jing pang bapel pel lembaga jing duai tenrai kenya krem bat kiwe kiwe
Rang National Secretary, but
Kadak kablay, purok kablay, kublay gerat, kublay serat, kublay. Di menunggu
bakila siya pernah kacat rek.
ngon gerat ko simmering. Nung kedok nung cum ay banyay siyang ninat siyang jab jalan. Highway si jompi ban im ban pu crowd. Niki kun yu bay kun terang kun klep kun kun ban rew. Kadok
crores for the next 1.5 years, where researchers will travel through different regions, visit locations like Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Tibet, and other locations where it is appropriate and needed. Collaborate with international agencies, universities, research organizations, scholars, scientists, and establish this institutional network which will then further continue. This event today is absolutely in line and continuing the process of this government's commitment to ensure that we uphold, protect, promote the traditions, the cultures, and most importantly, the identity of our people. As a government, we have always believed that while development is absolutely necessary, and it is for development that we as a government are here to work for the people, the development cannot come at a cost or with a compromise on our identity and on our culture and on our people and our traditions. The government of Meghalaya is coming out with a special scheme. And that scheme is to promote the different cultural, traditional, and the religious aspects of our state. We don't have a dedicated scheme for infrastructure projects like these. If you recall, Government of India has a scheme called Prasad Scheme under Tourism Ministry. And it is meant to promote the religious tourism locations and destinations. But we don't have that kind of scheme, and that scheme also is something that is lapsed. I believe that there is so much richness in our state that we need to develop all of these aspects.
Will be remembered throughout the history of the Sengbah, Nongshat, Nongrim. As we have here, the Honorable Chief Minister, on this very auspicious day, to grace the function as the chief guest and to inaugurate the laying down of the foundation stone for construction of the boundary wall fencing of this area of the Sengbah, Nongshat, Nongrim here at Banjul, so that it will become private and with dignity.
This place is going to be safe from anti-social elements who like to damage the property of Sengbah, Nongshat, Nongrim. Thank you, sir, for granting this amount, and I think, as you were told by the chairman, this estimate was prepared 5 years back. And so it only shows, earlier we had requested the previous government to do something for this. Until you came, you became the chief minister, this demand has been met now. Thank you so much, sir.